Hello rail fans and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be building this little 042 narrow gauge steam locomotive, and this is the Tallyllyn, and hopefully I said that right. And this was originally built as an 040, but it rode rough, so they added a set of trailing wheels. And this is what it looks like here. So let's get right into the build. So we'll start off with our wheels, and for that we'll use mangrove planks. We'll put the front driving wheels on, so one on each rail. Then on the upper hitbox in the middle, coming backwards, we'll put 3 polished blackstone slabs, and then a mangrove plank here and here. Then another 3 polished blackstone slabs in the middle behind it, and then a mangrove plank here and here for the back wheels. Then put a polished blackstone button on each of these back wheels. Then we're going to come on top with blackstone brick block, start at the back and just do a line down the center. And we're going to extend it out onto the front 2 blocks past these wheels. Then right here, we're going to put a birch fence gate on each wheel and a birch fence in the center here. Same thing over here, so a fence in the center and a fence gate on each wheel. Then we're going to come underneath this overhang on the front, on the upper hitbox of the first block, and we're going to put 2 rows of 3 blackstone brick slabs right here. Then on this outer edge, 2 mangrove slabs here for the piston, and 2 on this side. Then on the second layer, across the front, we're going to put 5 red nether brick walls here. Then we're going to come down to the back. And back here, we're going to add another polished blackstone slab here, and then above it a blackstone brick block. Then on the second layer up here, go 5 wide with red nether brick walls on the back. Then come on top of the back on this upper hitbox and do 2 rows of 3 blackstone brick slabs up here and 2 rows of 3 right here. Then up here on the front, 2 slabs here and 2 on this side. Then we're going to come down this outer edge and do 5 slabs coming back here, and a full row on this side as well. Then on each of these front corners, we're going to put a mangrove slab here and here. Now on this red nether brick wall, a dark oak fence gate on each side, and then open a fence gate in the middle. And then same thing on the back, a sideways fence gate on each side, open one in the center. Then we're going to crouch and get a dark oak trapdoor on these outer 2 fence gates, and then close them for the buffers. And we'll do the same thing over here. So crouch, get a dark oak trapdoor on each of these 2 outer fence gates, and then close those. Just like that. Now come on the top center on the second block back, do 2 chiseled polished blackstone, then an upside down polished blackstone stair and right side up stair on either side of it like this. Then behind this, we're going to add 3 more upside down stairs here and on this side. Above that, we'll do a 3x3 of mangrove planks on top here in the middle. Then on this top middle, we're going to put 3 polished blackstone walls for the smokestack, then a blackstone brick slab on the middle behind it, and 2 mangrove slabs. Then on this outer edge, 3 mangrove trapdoors here, 3 trapdoors here, and then down here, 3 red stained glass here, and 3 red stained glass panes over here. Behind this, 3 polished blackstone block on the center middle 3, then 1 on the top middle, then a polished blackstone stair facing outward on either side of this up here. Then on the center of this on top, a red nether brick wall and a yellow candle on top of that. Then we'll do the little coal bunkers, so a mangrove plank here and here, and put a black carpet on each of those. Then we're going to put a polished blackstone block here, here, and here, and then surround it with mangrove planks on this side like this, and on this side. Then 1 mangrove plank in the center. Then we're going to take mangrove stairs upside down facing outward like this on either side of it. Then we're going to come on top of the very back in front of these red nether brick walls and do 3 backwards mangrove stairs in the middle. And then above that, we need to put temporary block on here so we can get 3 upside down mangrove stairs above that on the top middle. Then we'll put a mangrove plank on the center here. And we can take out these 2 temporary blocks. Then we need an upside down mangrove stair facing into this plank. And same thing on this side. Make sure it's facing into this plank and take out the temporary block. So it looks like that on the back. Then we'll put 2 temporary blocks up here and get an upside down mangrove stair facing inwards right here. Take out the temporary blocks. Then we'll repeat on this side. So get some temporary blocks up here. Then get an upside down mangrove stair facing inwards right here and take out these 2 temporary blocks. Then come in this middle section and put 5 mangrove slabs across here. And then we'll cover the whole top of this roof with mangrove trapdoors. Then we'll come down on the side here for some detailing. And we're going to put a dark oak sign here and then an oak sign here. And we'll repeat it on this side. So put an oak sign here, a dark oak sign here. Then on the side of these stained glass panes, we're going to put a dark oak sign on either side and an oak sign in the center. Then repeat on this side, so an oak sign in the center and a dark oak sign on either side of it. Then we'll come in this little control cap here, and we're going to change this bottom middle block to nether brick. Down in that hole, light it on fire, and close a trapdoor over it. Then we'll put 2 item frames like this, and we'll put compasses in them. Then we'll put a lever here, and 2 levers over here. And one final detail, we're going to take out some cobwebs and come off this smokestack and just come diagonally backing up however you want your smoke to look and however much you want, just so it looks like there's some smoke coming out here, like that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our little Tallyllyn narrow gauge steam locomotive. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. It's been a while since we've done a steam engine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.